Hello guys, welcome back to Mega iTech Systems. You're on to learn with Isent Benson. In case this is your first time of stumbling into the channel, please do subscribe and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it. Alright guys, today we're gonna look at how you can register as a beginner in Forex trader. You can register under expert or professional traders and start making money for yourself. Yes, you can actually follow a professional who knows how to trade, or an expert that is very good in trading, and as they trade, your account also trade, and as they make profit, you also make profit. All right guys, let's dive into the tutorial for today. From it, so the first thing you will do is head on to HFM, go to your browser and type HFM. So you click on HFM to take you to HFM site. In case you are not registered, so you first of all click on the registration button to get registered. Now this page is going to prompt up telling you to verify if you are human, so you just allow it to pump up, then you click on this particular box here to verify that you are human, then you can start your registration. All right, a page opens. This is the registration page, so you need to go ahead and enter the country that you are from, then enter your email address and your password. Then when you are done with this, click on continue. I already have an account, so I wouldn't want to click on this continue, so you go ahead and click on continue and just verify your email address. Then when you're done, come back to this platform and click on login. You log into your account, you enter your email, enter your password, so when you log in, it's going to bring you to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. So this is where we have to follow a professional or an expert in forex trade. So as they begin to trade, also your account also trade, and you begin to make profit alongside these professionals or expert traders. All right, so when you are here, you go to this menu here by the left hand side and you look for just scroll down, you look for HF copy, so you click on it to bring out the drop menu. Then you go down and you look for follow a strategy. HF copy, follow a strategy. So you click on follow a strategy and allow the page to open up. All right, now the page has opened up. These are various traders. They are expert traders. If you see this one, it has made a gain of. Now you have to be very sure whom you are following. Like this particular one is not making any gain at all, it's making a loss, so I wouldn't want to follow this. Look at this one, it has made a gain of over 1000%. So this is a good trader to follow. Then there are a lot of them, This another one. This has made a profit of 0.80%. This has made a loss. So you look for the ones who have made a good profit. Look at this one, this very good, over 6,000% profit. So you can follow a trader like this. Now these traders, they have their conditions. This you can, for instance, this is a USC account. So if you have a USC account, you can follow this particular person. So you can click on it to view. All right. Now these persons, the minimum deposit should be 10,000 USC. 10,000 USC. That is about I think $100. So before you can follow this person, it requires that you have a deposit of $100. There are some that $10, but you should be mindful of the kind of persons you are following so that you don't lose your account. So if, for instance, you want to follow this person, all you need to do is to click on follow. When you click on follow, now there is not enough fund in your wallet, so I can't follow this person because I don't have enough fund in my wallet. So in Nigeria currency, I should have about 160,000 to follow this particular guy. So guys, if you gain value from this tutorial, please do share this video and also click on the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it. Alright guys, see you in my next video.